Hi guys, thank you for joining us again on the Azure Files. We know you're enjoying it because we definitely get a lot of good feedback from you guys. Keep that feedback coming.
Definitely getting a lot of emails. So thank you so much, guys, for all your support out there. We really do appreciate it.
All right, so let's get straight into the question of the week. Alice in Santon says...
Oh, Alice in Santon. So Alice not in Wonderland for a change.
No, it depends where in Santon you are.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, so Alice in Santon says she's managing to convince her company that cloud is the way to go. Now what? What are the first steps? She asks. Very good question, because this is something Matt and I deal with all the time.
Yeah, definitely.
So a lot of guys, what they want to do is they want to move their current workloads, being physical or virtual, into Azure. Now there are a lot of ways of doing that. So one of the cool things that we do is we have a tool called the BitTitan Health Check for Azure. And in essence, what that does is that assesses your current on-prem, physical box or virtual machine, and links it up to the Azure and says, if you want to run this workload in Azure, this is what we can do. I know Matt's also got some tricks that they do on his side because he does a lot of our migrations.
Yeah, I do. So there's also another tool from Microsoft Azure called Azure Migrate that works really, really well for VMware workloads. So if you're running VMware virtual servers and you'd like to migrate them into Azure, this is essentially a tool that Microsoft's brought out that will help you migrate those servers into Azure. Now, it is limited to the type of operating system that you guys are running. So it supports most Linux workloads as well as Windows. However, let's say for an example, we got a customer running 2008 R2, Windows Standard. That's not supported, unfortunately, by the Azure Migrate tool, and then that tool won't work for you. But we have developed a workaround, should we say, for that. Where what we do is using Azure Site Recovery once again as a migration strategy. We manipulate the virtual machines on VMware to letting Azure think that they are physicals, and we migrate them across as physical machines. And when we fail over very successfully, and it seems to work quite well. So if anyone would like steps on that, there's no official documentation for that, but there is something that I have put together for one or two of our partners that they can use.
Okay. So as you can see, the cloud is strong in this one. If you guys would like t-shirts like this, please drop us a mail. The first person with the mail subject line, the cloud is strong, with your size and your details, we'll be able to ship you a shirt.
Yeah, I've noticed that if you wear the shirt, you become strong as well.
Okay, millennials. All right, and as you know, guys, we normally close off with a geek fact of the week. And this week is the Titans used to be members of the second generation of beans, which meaning they really high up there. So I reckon Titan, I think I'm going to call Matt a Titan.
No.
Because you're pretty good with the...
Well, I mean, like with migrations.
So looking at this, we can see where BitTitan got their name from. I wonder where Azure or Microsoft got the Azure name from.
I wouldn't go there right now. Right. Maybe another episode could reveal that.
Guys, you could maybe you guys could bing that and let us know where you think Azure came from.
Yeah, definitely.
Guys, thanks for the show. I hope you've enjoyed it. Any questions, please send them through to us, and Matt and I will be happy to answer.
Keep your questions coming in. We love to hear from you guys, even if it's just comments about these episodes and how they're going. Your feedback is always appreciated. So thank you very much, guys, and we'll see you in the next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe.